Hey my dear lovely students, a very good morning to all of you. Once again I welcome you all in the today's video session. In today's class, we will be starting once again with the revision of all the chapters that are going to come in your periodic test. So first of all, we will start with first chapter, that is integers, in this particular video session. In the next video session, we will start on with fractions. In the next video session, we will start on with decimal and ratio. So do watch the complete video so that you can have maximum profit and you can secure good marks in your examination. And as you all know that the syllabus for your mathematics exam for first periodic test is integers, fractions, decimals and ratio. So till the exam date, we will only have revision session. We will not study any special chapter or chapter from the book. We will only focus on the chapters which are going to come in your exam. So I wish you a best of luck for your exam. Stay safe, stay at home and study well so that you can have a very good exam and you can secure a very good marks in your exam. Thank you. Do watch the complete video, and if you have any doubt in the video, kindly comment me or message me to make a separate video on that particular topic. Thank you. Have a good day. So let's start on with our today's session. In the last class, I gave you a revision work that was the first test on 13th June 20. In this particular test, we are discussing about integers. As you know that the exam is very near, so we will start on with our revision from the first chapter. The first question is, what should be added to minus 5 to get 5? And all of these questions are very important from the examination point of view. Do solve them, and if you have any doubt, kindly ask me anytime. The first question is, what should be added to minus 5 to get 5? Let us solve this question. And the first question is, what should be added to minus 5 to get 5? माइनस 5 में क्या ऐड करेंगे तो 5 मिलेगा. लेट द नंबर एडेड बी एक्स. मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था व्हाट शुड बी एडेड टू माइनस 5. तो माइनस 5 में क्या ऐड कर रहे हैं? एक्स. तो माइनस 5 प्लस एक्स इज इक्वल टू कितना मिलेगा टू गेट 5. हम लोग यहां से किसका वैल्यू निकालते हैं? एक्स का वैल्यू. x इज इक्वल टू पहले से 5 था 5, और माइनस 5 जब इक्वल टू के राइट साइड जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? प्लस 5. तो x इज इक्वल टू 5 प्लस 5 विल बी इक्वल टू 10. सो व्हाट इज द नंबर एडेड? द नंबर एडेड इज 10. दिस वाज आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, अ वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन. आई होप यू ऑल अंडरस्टूड इट. लेट्स मूव ऑन टू सेकंड क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज द सेकंड क्वेश्चन? The second question is, the difference of an integer p and minus 5 is minus 15. Find the value of p. This is the second question. The difference of an integer p. यहाँ पर integer पहले से दिया हुआ है p, हम लोग x नहीं माने हैं. The difference of an integer p and minus 5. किसी भी integer p और minus 5 का difference कितना है? तो minus 15. difference का मतलब क्या होता है? minus. That is subtract. तो इंटीजर दिया हुआ है पहले से p, डिफरेंस, तो वी कैन राइट p. डिफरेंस का मतलब माइनस. किसका डिफरेंस? p और माइनस 5 का डिफरेंस कितना आता है? माइनस 15. तो p माइनस 5 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 15. सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. p माइनस माइनस प्लस 5 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 15. तो p प्लस 5 राइट हैंड साइड जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? माइनस 5. तो पहले से माइनस 15 था और माइनस 5, तो p का वैल्यू कितना आ गया? -15 और -5 minus 20. I hope it is clear to everyone. डिफरेंस बोल रहा था, डिफरेंस का मतलब माइनस, तो p माइनस -5 is equal to -15, माइनस माइनस +5 will be equal to -15 एंड -15 पहले से है और -+5 उधर है, और क्या हो जाएगा -5 एंड -15 एंड -5 will be equal to -20. Let's move on to third question. The third question is a very easy question. -3 multiplied by -5 multiplied by -1. -3 multiplied by -5 multiplied by -1. It's very easy. Minus minus plus and plus minus minus. 5 3s are 15. 15 1 जा 15 आंसर. बहुत ही आसान क्वेश्चन था. Let's move on to fourth number question. That is, find the sum 3 integer 4 by 5 plus 2 integer 3 by 10 plus 1 integer 1 by 15. आप सब सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. Let me solve it one time for you. That is 3 integer 4 by 5 plus 2 integer 3 by 10 plus 1 integer 1 by 15. सबसे पहले मिक्स फ्रैक्शन को कन्वर्ट करेंगे इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में. 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 4 19 by 5 plus 10 2s are 20 plus 3 23 by 10 plus 15 1s are 15 plus 1 16 by 15. 5 10 और 15 का एलसीएम कितना होगा? 30. आप सबको एलसीएम निकालने आता होगा आई होप. 5 6 जा 30 5 6 जा 30 19 6 जा 114 plus 10 3 जा 30 3 3 9 3 2 जा 6 69 plus 15 2 जा 30 16 15 2 जा 30 16 2 जा 32. Now we will add all three. What do we get? 9 plus 2 11 11 plus 4 15 15 5 carry how much? 1 6 plus 3 9 9 plus 1 10 10 plus 1 11 1 carry how much? 1 1 plus 1 2 215 by 30. I hope you all can convert this into next fraction. For converting this into mixed fraction, we will simply divide 30 by 215. 30 into how much? 7 3s are 21, 210, remainder 5. What do we get? 7 integer 5 by 30. That is 5 1 ja 5, 5 6 ja 30. 7 integer 1 by 6 will be required answer. I hope it is clear to everyone. Let's move on to next question. The next question was again very easy. That is simplify 8 minus 4 integer 1 by 2 minus 2 integer 1 by 4. Let's solve question number 5. Question number 5. 8 minus 4 integer 1 by 2 minus 2 integer 1 by 4. What do we get? 8 by 1 minus 4 2 is 8 plus 1 9 by 2 minus 4 2 is 8 plus 1 9 by 2. We will find out the LCM. What is the LCM of 1 2 and 2? The LCM will be 2. 1 2 is 2, 8 2 is 16 minus 2 1 is 2, 9 1 is 9 minus 2 1 is 2, 9 1 is 9. What do we get? 16 minus 9 and minus 9 will be equal to minus 18 by 2, and 16 minus 18 will be equal to minus 2 by 2. 2 will divide 2 in how many times? 1. What will be our answer? Minus 1 will be our answer. I hope it is clear to everyone. But one thing which is to be noticed, that here I have written 9 by 2. This means that the question will be 4 2 is 8 plus 1 9 by 4 होना चाहिए. अगर ये 4 1 by 2 होता then the conditions would be same. लेकिन यहाँ पर था 2 integer 1 by 4, तब ये आंसर आएगा -1 अगर यहाँ पर 4 1 by 2 है. Let's solve this again. The question is 8 minus 4 integer 1 by 2 -2 इंटीजर 1/4, 8/1 -4 2 जा 8 + 1 9/2 -4 2 जा 8 + 1 9/4, 1 2 और 4 कैल्शियम 4, 1 4 जा 4 8 4 जा 32 -2 2 जा 4 9 2 जा 80 -4 1 जा 4 9 1 जा 9. What do we get? 32 minus 18 or 9 27/4, 27 and 3 to 5, 5/4 is your answer. We can convert this into mixed fraction, one integer 1/4. I hope it is clear. In the last question I had written a wrong question. Here it would be here would be 4 integer 1/2, then the answer would be -1. If the question would be 2 integer 1/4, then the answer will be 1 integer 1/4. I hope it is clear to everyone. Let's move on to next question. That is question number 6. Find 11/20 of a liter. Find 11/20 of a liter. I hope that it is a very easy question and you all would be able to solve it. There we have liter. So 1 liter will be equal to 1000 ml. 1 liter में कितना ml होता है? 1000 ml. So we have to find 11/20. That is 11/20 of means multiply 1000 ml. 1000 ml. 1 0 will cancel. 1 0. 2 5s are 10. 50. 11 5s 55 and 0 550 ml. I hope it is clear to everyone. Let's move on to next question. That is question number 7. A book consists of 200. This is the question. A book consists of 216 pages. During last week, Vikas read 3/4 of the book. How many pages did he read? पूरे बुक में कितना पेज था? 216. और विकास कितना पढ़ लिया? उस बुक का कितना पार्ट पढ़ लिया है? 3/4. तो हाउ मेनी पेजेस डिड ही रीड? कितना पेजेस वो पढ़ लिया है? फर्स्ट यू विल राइट द स्टेटमेंट. टोटल नंबर ऑफ पेजेस in the book 216. Vikas had read 3/4 of the book. 3/4 का मतलब कितना बच्चा? 3/4 into 216. इतना वो पढ़ चुका है, इतना पेजेस वो पढ़ चुका है. That is 4 5s are 20 and 4 4s are 16. 4 3 3 4 जा 12, 2 carry 1, 5 3 जा 15 plus 1 16, 162 पेजेस वो पढ़ चुका है. 3/4 वो पढ़ चुका था. 3/4 किसका? बुक का. बुक में कितने पेजेस है? 216. So we will simply multiply 3/4 with 216. What do we get? 162 pages. So we can write. So Vikas had read 162 pages. Let's move on to next question. That is question number 8. The question is find the area of rectangular plot whose length is 41 integer 2/3 meter and breadth is 20 integer 3/5 meter. This is the question. You have to find the area of a rectangular plot whose length is 41 integer 2/3 meter and breadth is 20 integer 3/5 meter. I hope you all can solve such type of question. What is the area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is length times breadth. This is a rectangle. So what will be the area of rectangle? Length and breadth. So length times breadth. Length covered by breadth. So what will be area of rectangle? Length multiplied by breadth. Meter square. So what is length? 41 integer 2/3 meter. And what is breadth? 20 integer 3/5 meter. Let's multiply. 3 1 ja 3 and 41 into 3 will be 123. 123 plus 2 125/3 multiplied by 25 ja 100. 100 plus 3 103 by 5 meter into meter will be equal to meter square. 20 integer 3 by 5 meter. Let me have a look at the question once again. 20 integer 3 by 5 meter and 41 integer 2 by 3 meter. 41 into 3, 3 1 ja 3, 4 3 ja 12. 123 plus 2, 125 by 3 multiplied by 25 ja 100 and 3, 100. It's the correct. Now we will solve it. 5 will divide. 5 2 ja 10, 25 times में, and 3 cannot divide 103. 3 cannot divide 103. So what we will do? We will simply multiply 25 multiplied by 103 divided by 3 meter square. So what will be 103 multiplied by 25? 5 3 is 15, 5 carry 1 1, 5 1 ja 5, cross multiply 103 into 2, 3 2 ja 6, 2 0 ja 0, 2 1 ja 2, 5 6 plus 1 7, 5 and 2, 2 5 7 5 divided by 3 meter square. Now we can convert this into next fraction by dividing it with 3. 3 8 ja 24, remainder 1, 7 will come, 3 5 ja 15, 2 remainder 5, 3 8 ja 24, 1. What do we get? 858 integer 1 by 3 meter square. This is the area of a rectangle. This was a lengthy question and you have to solve it very correctly. एक बार और चेक कर लेते हैं. Area of rectangle, length into width. What was the length? 41 integer 2 by 3 meter. 41 integer 2 by 3 meter. 41 into 3. 3 1 ja 3, 4 3 ja 12, 123 and plus 2, 125 by 3 meter. Multiplied by 25 to 100 plus 3, 103 by 5. 5 will divide 125 in 25 times, and 25 multiplied by 103 is equal to 2375, and into the remainder part we have 3. Now 2575 will be divided by 3. What we get? 858 integer 1 by 3 meter square. I hope it is clear to everyone. This is the area of rectangle. Let's move on to question number 9. You can watch it clearly. Let's move on to question number 9. The question number 9 is divide 45 by 1 integer 4 by 5. This is the question. You have to divide 45 by 1 integer 4 by 5. 45 divided by 1 integer 4 by 5, it is 5 1 ja 5 plus 4, 9 by 5. What we can write? 45 divide will change into multiply, and 9 by 5 will have a reciprocal, that is 5 by 9. 9 5 ja 45, 5 5 ja 25 is our answer. I hope it is clear to everyone. That was a very easy question. We just have to divide 45 by 1 integer 4 by 5. So 45 divide, we can write the symbol over here. 5 1 ja 5 plus 4, 9 by 5. Divide will change into multiply, and whenever divide changes into multiply, the digit on the right side get reciprocal. So 9 by 5 will be equal to 5 by 9, and 9 will divide 45 5 times, and 5 5s are 25. This is our answer. Let's move on to last question of the test, that is question number 10. The question number 10, by what number should 6 integer 2 by 9 be divided to obtain 4 integer 2 by 3? The question is 6 integer 2 by 9 को किस नंबर से डिवाइड किया जाए कि हमारा जो रिजल्ट है वो आएगा 4 integer 2 by 3. Let the number divided be x as usual. Let the number divided by e x. जिस नंबर से डिवाइड करते हैं उसको क्या मान लेते हैं? x. नंबर क्या है 6 इंटीजर 2/9, इसको किस नंबर से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं x से, तो क्या मिलेगा 4 इंटीजर 2/3। सिक्स इंटीजर 2/9 divided by x is equal to 4 integer 2/3. We can convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. 6 9 ja 54. 54 plus 2 56/9 divided by x is equal to 4 3 ja 12 13 14 14/3. 56/9 divide will change into multiply. X will have 1/x is equal to 14/3. We have to calculate the value of x. So what we can write? We can write 1/x is equal to 14/3. इधर 9 डिनोमिनेटर में, उधर जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा न्यूमरेटर, इधर 56 न्यूमरेटर में था, इधर आएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा डिनोमिनेटर, दैट विल बी रेसिप्रोकल. नाउ वी कैन राइट 3 3 is 9 and 14 2 is 28, 14 3 is 42, 14 4 is 56, 3/4. So 1/x is equal to 3/4. But we don't have to find the value of 1 over x. We have to find the value of 1/x. So what will be x? X will be reciprocal. 3/4 will be equal to 4/3. Now we can convert it into mixed fraction. 4 will be divided by 3. 3 1 is 3. What do we get? 1 integer 1/3. 1 integer 1/3. This is our answer. आई होप इट इज क्लियर. अगर आप चाहते हैं तो यहाँ से एक और स्टेप भी हम लोग कर सकते थे, डेट इज 56/9 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 1/x इज इक्वल टू 14/3, क्योंकि बीच में इक्वल टू है. 14 4 जा 56, न्यूमरेटर विल डिवाइड न्यूमरेटर एंड 3 3 जा 9, और x को अगर उधर भेज दें तो व्हाट वी गेट 4/3 इज इक्वल टू x 1 जा x, तो x विल बी इक्वल टू कितना 4/3. हम लोग डायरेक्टली यहाँ भी पहुंच सकते हैं, और 4/3 का मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन क्या हो जाएगा, x will be equal to 1 integer 1/3. अगर यहाँ से चाहें तो ये प्रोसेस को भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं. आई होप इट इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन. सो दिस वाज ऑल फ्रॉम योर टेस्ट सेशन, बट वी विल स्टिल सी few questions from integers which are very important from your examination point of view. So let's start. The first question is question number, marked as question number 11. The question is -5 multiplied by -5 multiplied by -5 dot 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 taken 5 times. अगर 5 times multiply करते हैं तो क्या आएगा, we will simply write it 5 times. -5 multiplied by -5 multiplied by -5 multiplied by -5 multiplied by -5. Minus minus plus, plus minus minus, minus minus plus, and plus minus minus. Whenever minus sign is repeated odd times, what do we get? Minus. And whenever minus sign is repeated even times, what do we get? प्लस. तो यहाँ 1 2 3 4 5 माइनस साइन जो है वो ऑल टाइम यानी कि 5 टाइम्स रिपीट हो रहा है. सो व्हाट वी गेट माइनस. एंड 5 5 जा 25, 25 5 जा 125, 125 5 जा 625, एंड 625 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 5 3 1 2 5. दिस विल बी योर आंसर. आई होप इट इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन. Now all questions are easy from integer. You all can solve it very easily. I hope that the exam you all are going to have, you all can give it very clearly, and all of you can score very good marks, because the question paper would be very easy, and in fact it would be from what you have read from so many days when throughout the online classes session. So let's take me one more example that will be the last example of today's session, and from the chapter integers, revision of integers. In the next class we will move on to revision of fractions. So once again, today's last question is simplify minus 13 minus minus 27 bracket closed plus curly bracket minus 25 minus minus 40. This is the question. So what, I hope you all can solve it. What we'll simply write minus 13 minus minus plus 27 bracket closed plus bracket open minus 25 and minus minus plus 40 bracket closed. 27 will divide 13. 7 minus 3 4, 2 minus 1 1 bracket closed plus 40 will subtract 25 15. What do we get? 14 plus 15 will be equal to 29. And this is our answer. I hope it is clear to everyone. So we had completed our today's video session on revision of integers. In the next class, we will start on with revision of fraction, and then after decimals, and then after ratio. All the students are requested to watch the complete video so that you can understand each and every topic very clearly, and whatever you are being taught through online classes and through assignment work on WhatsApp, the questions will be from that topics only. So no need to worry. Sit back and prepare well for your exam. Thank you all. Have a good day.